Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. Filmora have launched its new feature is AI text to video. For it, click here. Here, you can transform text into dynamic visual stories and instantly generate engaging videos. Here, I am writing about yoga. After that you can select language and video size ratio. And here you can select different video voice. Now, the video is being generated. It will take a couple of seconds. Here, you can see that AI has generated everything: video clip, subtitle, and music. You can generate videos instantly from text inputs. You can save time and effort while producing professional quality content for various platforms. Here, you can adjust the subtitle and change font and its size. And also customize its color and type. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. Now, I'm adding transition to all for smoothing the clip. After it, I want to change this clip. So I'll download a clip from stock media. And hold the Alt key and drag to that clip, which we want to replace. Here, you can observe that the clip is replaced. Now, I'll export this video.
Yoga is not just about physical postures, it also includes meditation, breathing exercises, and ethical principles that guide one's behavior and way of life. Many people practice yoga for its numerous health benefits, which may include improved flexibility, strength, balance, stress reduction, and overall well-being. It can be adapted to suit various fitness levels and is often used as a complementary therapy for various medical conditions.
Thanks for watching.